Morena and good morning from the corner shop. Yes, it's a grey old day here this Saturday morning in Upper Whakamarama, but as you heard, that's not deterred the birds. Yes, we're doing our autumn tidying up, and that is the remains of the most beautiful bronze fennel. We've got big boxes of the fennel seed heads inside, and we're stripping them off to put into our potpourri or our confetti botanicals. And over there, those white buckets, well, I'm carting the mulch over to the flower growing lines in the paddock. Such a privilege to be up here today, so wherever you are in the world today, be safe. Arohanui Kia Kaha from the corner shop in Whakamarama.